I told you I'm so bad at this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa, the Indian mommy. I have finally I got a gift from my brother. It is a tripod and a ring light set, and I had set a goal for myself that when I reach 1000 subscribers, then only I am going to buy any kind of gear for my YouTube. So thank you guys for subscribing to me and making it 1000 subscribers, and I have got my gift and I am all ready to open it and set it up, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So what I have got is this ring light. It is LED 10 inches ring fill light. It has 3 color controls and it comes with a tripod that has a lot of height setting, and I can put my phone here. When I started my YouTube, I had this mic only, and I had a tiny tripod that I bought for taking selfies and all right here, and I used to film on that thing only. So from now on I will set this one up and we will see how I look in this light. So let's set it up and let's open it. I bought it from Flipkart and I will put the link in the description box. So this is the ring light. I think it's a good size. Yeah. And it has a phone holder like this. I can put my phone in this, and some equipments here, I don't know, to set it up. And it has a tripod like this. I will set the tripod up. I am actually pretty excited about the tripod because my tripod is so small that I am filming right now on. So I am excited about the tripod. Yeah. So this is it. It costed me 2900 rupees. Not me, my brother. It costed 2900. And how does it work? Okay, here is a clip. Actually, you open it and it goes down like this. Yeah, so it doesn't go up anymore. Yeah, it's pretty small. Yeah, I thought it would be long, but it is pretty small. See? Oh, maybe I'm not. Oh, yeah, it's long. I just have to open it. I don't get it. I think. Oh yeah. Okay. After we are done with our height setting, we just close the clips, then it will stay in place. And I think I'm so bad at this. Okay, here is a knob to tighten and keep the height in place. Okay, it's quite sturdy, you guys. It's not weak, it's sturdy. I think I don't have a big camera. I just film on my phone, so I think it can handle the weight of a phone. It's okay, but I don't know if it can handle the weight of a camera. I don't think so, but for my phone it's okay. So now let's set up this light. Okay, it's very easy. There is a screw here, you just put it on here and rotate. No, there is something else, I guess. Yeah, this one. Okay, there is a knob here to tighten it. I think I need help. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. Yeah, I think I need help with this. Okay, I think it is set. Yeah. Okay, I think it is set. Now you just put a phone here. There is a mount, phone mount. Oh my god, please don't break. Okay. I told you, I'm so bad at this. I have never seen this in my life. Okay. So, okay, there is a handle here that you need to tighten. This one. I should have tightened it. Then it would have stayed in place. This is why I don't set things up. Okay, I think now this is not staying in place. I think I have put it wrong. I think I have put it wrong. Give it to me. There is another piece of thing here. I don't know what this one does. Now I think I am done. Now let's plug it in. I think this is for a camera and this is for a phone. I have a phone, so I will set it up with this, and if ever I buy a camera, if you guys want, subscribe to me so that I can get 10,000 subscribers and I can buy a good camera for myself. Then I can use this one. Now let's get started and let's plug it in. Now the plug point is an USB point, adapter, a phone charger adapter. I have one. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so this is my phone adapter and I will plug it in here. Now it has a switch point like this. Oh yeah. Come on, it looks good. I mean, yeah. Tell me guys, how does it look? This is my room's light and in which I am used to film, and this is my new light. How do I look? Oh wow, I look good. My son is giving a thumbs up. I look good guys. So it has a lot of lighting setting. Let's see. It has 3 colors. So let's see what it can. Oh, it can dim. Yeah. Can you see the difference? It is dimming. It has options here. So oh, it has 3 settings. It can go up and down 3 times. So this is the highest. 1 step down, another step down, and this. No, it has another step. Yeah. Oh, it can go. Oh, it can go a lot down. Wow, I am loving it. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I love you. I love this gift. Thank you so much. He is Devi Prasad, by the way, and totally taken. And thank you for the gift. This is Raksha Bandhan gift, and thank you for this. I love it. You know what? I will show you how I look outside in the natural light. I'm used to filming in that. And you saw how I look in my room lighting. And this is me being super bright and super beautiful. How does my acne scars look? Can you see my, I have not used any foundation today, so that I can show if the light is better for my acne scars, because I definitely don't want to hide my acne scars. I will be doing a lot of skincare videos, so I definitely don't want to hide my acne scars. I want to show these things. It dimmed on its own. Yeah, it has a white light, it has a orange light, and this is what color light? Okay, this is white, this is orange, and this is a dimmed off white light. Yeah, okay. This one is looking good. I think this one is more my type. Okay, and this one is orange. I don't like this light at all. I don't like this color at all. I don't. Okay. This one is looking good. Tell me, you guys, how you like this lighting. And this is it. It has a good height as well. I can stand. It is almost my height with the light. That we can actually rotate the light according to our own wishes, like this, just sideways. I'm okay with sideways. I don't need. I will just put it in front of me like this, and I can fill. Yeah. So tell me, guys, how you like this video, the unboxing, the setting it up, and the review. Although I loved it, there is nothing to review more. And yeah, it is not getting hot as well. I have put it on for how many minutes? 2-3 minutes, and it is not getting hot. So it's okay, it's good. Yeah, so far so good, and I like it. You also comment in the comment section how you like it. I will put in the description box below the link for this from Flipkart. If I find the same product from Amazon, I'll also put it in the description box, the link. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.